As you can see, we're getting a lot of rain here in Colorado Springs. It's been raining since yesterday, off and on. We drove up to Pikes Peak. So cold. And they were having tornado warnings. I guess as we were driving up there and had emergency drive down. I'm headed home. But yes, we're getting a lot of rain here in Colorado Springs. Good evening, everybody. How are you, YouTube? We are sleeping here in the back of the truck. And it is very windy out. And it has been raining. It's shaking the truck a little bit. We'll let you guys know in the morning how it goes. Everybody have a good night.